Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your smartwatch. First, make sure your smartwatch has at least 50% battery life. Next, download the specific companion application for your watch from your phone's app store. Finally, activate Bluetooth on both your smartphone and your smartwatch to prepare for pairing. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process. Now, open the companion app on your smartphone. The app will guide you through adding a new device. Look for an option like Add Device or Pair New Watch. Your phone will then scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. From the list that appears, select your specific smartwatch model to begin the pairing sequence. This step usually takes only a few moments. After selecting your watch, a pairing code will appear on both your phone and watch. Verify that these codes match, then confirm the pairing. Your phone will then prompt you to grant various permissions, such as access to notifications, contacts, and location. It's important to allow these for your watch to function completely and synchronize data effectively. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your phone and smartwatch, then repeat the pairing steps. For a stable connection, always keep your phone and watch within a 10-meter range. Remember to regularly update your watch's firmware and the companion application to ensure optimal performance and access to the latest features. Enjoy your connected experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.